Hey guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come in front of you with a new tutorial. So you can see I'm using Revit architectural. So you can see I'm using Revit 2020. And before starting this tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon for getting more updates. So let's start this tutorial. So you can see this. This is my architectural plan. So this is completely architectural. Here what I need to say you that this is a this is my plot. The size of this plot is 67 feet, and see this left corner as well as this right corner is not the same. It's having unequal. So but this width of this plot is 49 feet and 2 inches. So now I have created plan over here, so it looks quite beautiful. These plans will give you much more detailing, like each and every dimensions have been created over here, and each and every detailings has been posted in this tutorial, means in this plan. So you can see this face of this plot is west facing, so this is my west face of this plot. This is my west facing. You can see this face, and this is west, and this is east, and this left is north, and this is my south. So so this plan is completely based on this vastu. So this plan will tell you about the vastu shastra also. It follows the vastu, so most of the people following that. So let me tell you something about vastu also, so please have a look over here. So this is my main gate, so obviously it is in west face, and this in after this entrance, this is my hall, and beside of the hall, this right side, it's west, this west wall, and this south corner, it has bathroom plus toilet. So it always face, mind it, according to vastu, the bathroom and this toilet should always face towards north or south. So you can see this my door is towards north side, right? This north. So and mind this also, stair should always keep on the southern part of this plan, means of any kind of the plan. So after that, here it's lobby. So this is my master bedroom. So master bedroom attached, it's bath plus toilet, and this is my little bit gap over here, gap passage you can say. And after all, here beside of this is my drawing room, or you can say that is study room. So after all, here this is my living area. So it's quite large, 27 feet 9 inches, and its length is 18 feet 81 by 2 inches. So after all, after this is my another master bedroom, and after this is my bath plus toilet, right? And then this is my dining and kitchen. Kitchen always face towards east and south corner, which I have been placed over here. And my puja room should always keep north and east face, and its door should always keep on east, right? So see, and this is my little bit one car parking over here. So I need to provide it here some cantilever also over here. So this is my completely architectural design. So have a look on the 3D. So here you can see I have designed this 3D also. So this 3D will give you little more clarity of your plot, sorry, of your plan. So see, this is your main door. So if this main door, and this you can say this is your entrance of your home. So this will be your hall, right? And after hall, this is your stair, as I have already explained you in plan. So here this all and everything will tell you like this. So I do not have any texture of these plans because this is a realistic view. So if you go to this ray trace, so it will take the rendering